Introducing SIS Smart Cam, offering AI-driven video analytics for safer, smarter surveillance. Traditional CCTV systems fall short with no 24/7 monitoring, delayed responses, and reactive footage. As a result, maximizing ROI without extra investment becomes challenging. India's CCTV market is booming and is set to hit over $10 billion at a 20 to 25% CAGR. SIS Smart Cam addresses all these aspects to deliver peace of mind, both rationally and emotionally, with no extra capex. It integrates existing systems, offering advanced features, real-time alerts, and secure data, boosting safety and ROI. As a scalable SaaS solution, it seamlessly integrates with existing systems and adapts to your needs. SIS Smart Cam turns existing CCTV setups into advanced AI-powered tools for real-time insights. Its flexible AI tech adapts to various industries, fulfilling safety and operational needs. SIS Smart Cam ensures safety with helmet detection, perimeter security, and fire alerts. It prevents risks like overcrowding, intrusions, and blacklisted entries in real time. Enhance women's safety with facial recognition and alerts for restricted zone breaches. It even helps boost productivity, ensures pipeline integrity, and controls access with ANPR. Ensure logistics with safety with vehicle tracking, staff monitoring, and AI systems. In hospitality, maintain high standards with compliance detection for hand washing, safety attire, and more. Transform retail operations with footfall, queue analysis, and customer flow heat maps. Optimize customer experience and operations with POS analysis, carton tracking, and more. In healthcare, monitor high-risk patients, track occupancy, and respond quickly to emergencies. It also ensures security with masks, queue management, and much more across banks and ATMs. For educational institutions, improve security with attendance tracking, occupancy checks, and more. Its AI insights streamline operations, boosting productivity and reducing risks. SIS Smart Cam is certified and compliant, enhancing your existing CCTV setup in its entirety reliably. It only takes 1 to 2 days of remote installation at 1 Mbps per camera to transform your CCTV setup. Trusted by industry leaders, SIS aims to deliver advanced, reliable AI-powered CCTV security with efficiency. Let's collaborate to elevate your CCTV security and efficiency with SIS Smart Cam.